Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the zoom in video effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to quickly select this video, and for instance I want to create this like zoom in effect. So add a keyframe at the beginning of your video and where you want the video to be zoomed in. Then you're just going to scale it, and as you can see it zooms in to the video. And if you want the animation to be faster, make sure your keyframes are closer together. So if, for instance, my keyframe's here, and then I zoomed in here, the zoom will be way faster than before, as you can see. But if you want your zoom to be super slow, just move it further apart and scale it just a little bit for that slow zoom effect. And that is basically it. If you want to zoom to a point of a video though, you're just going to go to that keyframe and move that video around, and it's going to zoom into that point. As you can see, it goes to this point of the video because I moved it there. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!